Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding. I'm doing this video today to talk about the best all-round smart display system you can buy for your bike in 2026. Now, I have that narrowed down to two choices. Now, the first one is the Alienrider M2 QR. Now, what this consists of is a 6.2-inch display, 2x dash cams at 1080p, blind spot detector and tire pressure monitors. Now, this is a full system and the unit itself, the smart display, is quick release, so you can take it off the bike when you're not using it, or if you're parking somewhere and you don't want to get it stolen or whatever. So it's got that. Now the second system is the Innovv N2, which is their latest system with a 6-inch display, and it has 2x 2K dash cams, and it has optional tire pressure monitors. The issue with the Innovv system is they also have a blind spot detector, but it doesn't integrate into the N2. Now, I've been wondering for a while why they haven't done this, and they really need to do this. But it's a standalone system, so if you want the blind spot detector, then it's a separate system you would have to buy. Both systems have their pros and cons. It's down to what your needs are, what you want from a system, and whether you need the additional stuff that the Alienrider unit gives. For me, the Alienrider is the better all-round system because everything is included. You've got the tire pressure monitors, blind spot detector, 2x dash cams at 1080p, plus a 6.2-inch quick release display. The Innovv is not removable, so the display on this can't be taken off. So if you want something that has to be removable, then it's going to have to be the Alienrider. Innovv have been promising they'll bring one out, but they haven't done so yet. Now, as I said, it's going to depend on what your needs are as well. If you're more concerned with the footage from the cameras and you want 2K cameras, then the Innovv is going to be the better choice for you. If you don't care about the blind spot detector or any of the other peripherals like tire pressure monitors, or you pay the extra to get them with the Innovv system, then that will be the better choice for you. The display is good, but bear in mind that the display is not removable in the Innovv at this point in time. I'm hoping that at some point they'll bring one out that is, but at the moment it isn't. So for me, for my needs, the M2 QR from Alienrider is the better choice. I prefer this system because of the quick release and because it's given me the tire pressure monitors and the blind spot detector and the dash cams. The 1080 dash cams are acceptable. They give decent enough footage from them. So for me, for my personal choice, it is the M2 QR, and I would say it has the edge over the Innovv system. And price-wise, this is very, very good. There's discount codes for both these systems in the description, by the way. So if you're looking to buy either of these systems, there's a discount code in the description for the video. But at this point in time, for 2026, the M2 QR is the recommended choice from Smart Riding. Both these units were released in the autumn of 2025, so they're current units. They're not going to be superseded anytime soon either. So they're both very current units. So either of them are a good choice, I have to say. And then you've got the Innovv Third Eye system, which is the blind spot detector, which is separate, and it's an extremely good system. As a standalone system, it's very, very good. I have to mention Alienrider also do a standalone blind spot detector. If you want one separate and you don't want to buy the quick release display and all that, you can buy that separately from the Alienrider web shop. So for 2026, our best all-round smart display system is the Alienrider M2 QR. Now, if you have any questions or you want to know anything more, just add your comments beneath the video here and just let me know, and I'll try and get back to you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Thanks.